Welcome to another edition of Fridays with Fred. My name is Fred Said. Is today's Orange County real estate market a buyer's market or a seller's market? If you use a simple philosophy and this simple tool of supply versus demand, this is what you come up with. In Orange County right now today, we have a massive high demand for properties by buyers, investors. And right now in today's market, we have a low supply. So what that means, currently, we're in a seller's market. So if you're a homeowner that is looking to sell their property, right now, traditionally speaking, with the numbers at hand and that philosophy of supply versus demand, it's probably your best time to list and your best time to sell, because there's so many buyers out there that are looking to buy properties in multiple price ranges, whether they're buying for their first home, their secondary home, or they're an investor looking to buy a rental property. The buyers are out there. I'm seeing multiple offers on many properties in different price ranges in different cities in Orange County, and it's like a frenzy. I don't know what's going on for the most part, besides the fact that we do have a low supply and a high demand. It seems like it's kind of like the market that we used to have in 2004, 5, and 6 in Orange County, where people were putting offers and there was 20 offers and 10 offers and multiple bidding and properties getting a bit above asking price. But that's what I'm seeing right now. And when I'm looking at it, yes, buyers get fantastic interest rates. Buyers are getting great deals. They can negotiate. But I believe the sellers right now have the advantage and have the leverage because of the low inventory. I'm not sure how long this is going to last. The banks keep talking about the shadow inventory, the market being flooded with foreclosures. They've been talking about this for 12 to 24 months, yet we all know we haven't seen it. But can it come? Yes. Will it? I don't know. When? I don't know. But what I do know right now, based off the simple law of supply versus demand, it's a seller's market right now. So I hope you found this video somewhat informative about the current market and using the law of supply and demand, and if it's a seller's market or it's a buyer's market. Comment on this video. Share this information. Go to our website and read our blogs and watch our videos for more information, and I'll notify you guys when I see a shift, when it goes back to a buyer's market, and then when it comes back to a seller's market. But it's always important for you to know as a real estate consumer what type of market we're in, so you can use certain negotiation tactics and leverage to your advantage. Tune in next week for another edition of Fridays with Fred. Why? Because that's what Fred said.